I will show you how to fork my repository, my base repository. So how are you supposed to start working? Okay, remember, once you login into Bitbucket, you may find this view, the dashboard, or the repositories, where you can find the base project. This is mine. You enter this repository, and now here you can fork. Forking is like making a copy of my repository, and you can work because that will be yours. Okay, so now you can have the same name, and I am creating a fork of that repository. Next, I use this link on the Git view. Actually, this is the Git perspective. I can paste my repository, and it will find the master branch. Okay, let the defaults and finish. And this is my new project. If you are using the oxygen distribution, it will find when importing the project that this is a Maven project. But the important part here is remember that you don't import from the working tree, but from the cool C directory. So I choose import. In Oxygen, it will detect that this is a Maven project. I choose to finish. And now in the Java perspective, I have a new project. This is the new project just imported from Bitbucket. It has some errors because I need to generate classes. Okay, now I have my project imported, and you see I have some errors. To clear the errors, I need to run Maven build and run the compile go. I run. And next Maven runs some tasks, including Sables Cesar is the compiler creator that we are using. You don't need to know that right now. And I get an error here, compilation error. Here, no compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you're running a GRE. That's because I don't have a GRE configured. Java install GRE. I need to install a complete SDK to compile everything in my project. So let me install that. I have already installed the Java SDK. So to configure that, I go to Preferences. Next, well, we can use Add, but I prefer to use Search because if you have many SDKs, it will find every SDK you have. So, for example, I put program files, and it will search in all the directories. and will find my SDKs. Okay, it found another GRE and 2 SDKs. So I choose this one as the default. I apply and close. And now I can run again Maven compile. And no errors here. But I see the errors. Why? And I see some errors also here. Well, two things. As Maven is compiling the code outside Eclipse, you need to recompile. To recompile, you go here, project, and clean. Clean will delete all class files and try to recompile. So I click here, clean, but maybe just a refresh. Okay, I refresh it and the errors are cleared. So those are two methods. Maybe you just need to refresh the project so Eclipse read the new class files, but maybe sometimes you need to go here, clean, and this will delete and recompile everything in the project. If you get an error here at the project level, you may need to run also Maven and update project. This option will read again the project object model file, and it will update dependencies and some Maven settings. So please, if you have errors in the project, try the refresh method, maybe next the project clean method. But if the errors are at the base level on the project, you may need to Maven update project option.